What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of that.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Northwoods. We are out in the lake right now. We have a big front coming right over there. And we have a couple hours to fish. I'm hoping it moves out, but if not, we're actually gonna start by throwing some top water. I know it's a little bit windy, but a lot of people think that if you throw top water while it's windy, it doesn't work, but it really does work. So we're gonna start off with top water, maybe switch to more finesse stuff, but we're gonna try and do a top water bite today and hopefully get some big ones. We'll kind of see what happens. I'm feeling good about it. I think we're gonna catch some fish. I just don't know how many. So 77 degrees surface temp. It is about 79 degrees outside. Hopefully we have a good day today. Here we go. Are you ready?
Let's get it.
All right, guys, I've not gotten any of my new rods yet from St. Croix, but we're gonna throw a 7-foot medium heavy, moderate to fast action. And I'm gonna be starting with this popper and kind of like a perch fire tiger. I'm not even sure what this color would be called, but we'll start with this. Oh, I almost didn't set it. I'm gonna go pick up that piece of shit that someone left in the water. Always pick up the trash out of the water. All right, guys, right back to fishing. Pick the trash out of the water, brings good luck for the day. And that's how these waters stay so clear, is when you take that shit out. I mean, yeah, we're gonna get it at 2, but we're good until 2. And it is staying, that's like straight south of us. And then right like when 2 comes, it gets like bigger and moves up. That was big, dude.
I saw that whole thing too. I turned my head right at you.
I'm hoping you saw that. I think you did from looking down at the GoPro right now, but big smallmouth just blew up on this thing. Literally twitch, pause. That was a big one, dude. That was a high 4, low 5s. No, because we just got hit in top water. Top water. Oh, on. There we go. First fish of the day. Small one, very small.
No net.
No net. We net this. All right, there it is. First fish of the day.
That was definitely not the one that blew up on it.
Oh no, not even close. There it is, guys. First fish of the day on the top water. Here we go. No way. I just got snapped off midway.
Did you?
Yeah. Oh, there's my popper. That was big, dude. That was giant. How did that line break? Weak spot my line. That's what it was. Wow, that was a big one. That was big, dude. When I set the hook on that, it felt huge. You just saw that. This is all the line I broke off. So I broke off probably about 15 yards. Definitely had a weak spot. This is older line. I don't even really use this rod anymore. But the other rods I normally use are in my truck for whatever damn reason. So we're gonna make do with this. Big front coming. Only got like another 2 hours, bud. Set it. What are you doing?
That's a big one, Tom. Tom, that's a big one. Oh my god.
A big one? Just boat flip that. All right, guys, another one on top water. The prefrontal bite. All right, guys, peace, first fish of the day. Little chunk, hopefully they get bigger. I just broke off on an absolute giant, and I had one that missed it that was a giant. So here we go, they were in a good spot. You want them or no? God, that was so big. That was so big. I saw the whole body in that guy, dude. He was huge. That's probably the one that snapped me off. Did you see that? That's 2 that have missed it and 1 that I broke off on. They're still pretty damn shallow too. Hit right at the boat, that was sick. All right guys, 3rd fish of the day.
Greens and pinks, it's all the same. I still sit and roll my chain.
That's another one though on topwater. We've had 2 opportunities for a giant, 1 snapped me off, or actually 3, and then the 2 missed it. I'm assuming maybe one of those could have been the same fish, but none of those have actually been hooked, besides that one I snapped off on. God, dude, I want that big one back. How does it snap my line 15 yards up the thing and still not end up taking the bait? Can't do anything about that. On.
Again?
Better one. They swim right at me. Not a big one, but definitely the best so far. Wait. I was gonna say, keep the net low. All right guys, the 4th fish, the best one of the day. I've lost 2, or actually I've had 3 opportunities for 3 giants, 2 missed it, 1 snapped my line. So this is the best one so far on topwater. We're gonna get this guy right back in. As you can tell, I will show you guys that in a second, but we have a giant storm just south of us. It's gonna be here in probably about an hour, hour and a half. So we're hoping this bite just keeps rolling and make the best of it. Here we go. Right at the boat, that was sick. Pull that guy in. Here. Guys, another one for P, hit right at the boat. This is what P's using, a little popper, pop-R. Someone ever tells you you can't throw topwater when it's windy, don't listen to them. Wind drives bait, wind drives current, wind drives fish eating. When you got water temps of 77 to 79, they're gonna eat topwater. We are fishing a post spawn now. Some are still spawning, I'd assume, somewhere in this lake and other lakes around us, but it is mostly a post spawn bite now where they're kind of going out to that first break, and we are actually sitting in 7 feet of water, casting in, casting out, and that's how we're gonna use fish. So that is the 5th of the day so far.
Yeah, I got 2.
No, you got 3. And I broke off on 1 and then 2 missed it. Guys, we've only been fishing for 45 minutes, I think, or maybe a little bit less actually. We already have 5 fish landed. P missed 2 that missed his bait, and then I snapped off on 1, and then also I had 2 missed. So we could have had 1. That'd be another 5. We'd have 10 fish the first 45 minutes, all on topwater. No way! You gotta be kidding me. I definitely got that on the GoPro. You see that thing? That thing went airborne, dude. I was literally just about to leave the spot too. I have no idea if I caught on camera P's last fish. Unfortunately, it wasn't a big smallmouth, but it was another one on topwater, being I think the 6th of the day so far. All caught on topwater. Had a lot of opportunities for big ones, but they're just missing it. Alrighty, so that is gonna complete the little morning / midday excursion. I think 6 fish landed, multiple opportunities that fish just missed it. 3 absolute giants that missed it, 1 snapped my line, but I was able to get that popper back surprisingly. So we're actually gonna go in for a little bit. We're gonna get some food. I actually have to edit a video because this week's been just so chaotic and I forgot to edit the video. So I actually have to shoot back, edit a video quick, and then actually we're gonna come back out. So I'm not gonna end this video just right here yet, but hopefully we can come back out and have a superior topwater bite. So I'll tune in with you guys in a little bit. Need to get some stuff done. P's back in the trailer now. I will see you guys shortly. Already it's 7:30 p.m. We are back out. We're gonna go for some topwater smallmouth. Try and finish this video out strong, but if not, we will continue it tomorrow if the bite sucks tonight, but I don't think it will, so we will find out. I'll strap you guys in the chest. I'm gonna shut my mouth. Get casting right away. It is game time. Pete's still running his mouth.
Okay, maybe I want a little bit more.
Oh wow, your arms are fried. Jeez.
I told you, dude. Why do you think I said that hurt?
Oh!
You hot?
On.
Yeah, you know.
Oh no. Switch to a jerkbait first cast. No, I don't need the nut. I don't need the nut. This is a small one. Would have hit like a shit brick house.
Not a bad one, Tom.
Nothing like we've been catching, bud. Unfortunately. Alright guys, that one just came on the perch jerkbait. That was the first cast. Unfortunately, I didn't show you it because he started bleeding pretty good because he tongue punched a shot of this. So I just dropped him back right away. It wasn't that big. Probably about pound and a half, maybe. Probably pound and 3/4 max. The jerkbait's the ticket I got you. Guys, I was on the new St. Croix Victory. 7.2 medium heavy power, moderate fast action. And I had the Shimano DC on this one. Shimano Corrado DC.
You told me it was like 350.
Oh! Oh!
Nice, Tom.
That was sweet!
Bigger one?
No, I think it was about the same size.
No, not?
No, not. No, not. That was sweet, dude. Alright, another fish. Not big, but it's another one. Another dink bass, guys, but on the jerkbait. They need to get bigger. Let me know when you want a jerkbait. So guys, I know there's a lot of smallmouth in this area. Oh! As I was saying, I know there's a lot of smallmouth in this area, and I knew they weren't hitting topwater, so I figured I'd throw something suspending to try and get some of these other smallmouth. All right, guys, another fish, small one. Nothing like we've been catching, but it's a fun bite. This will be twitch, twitch, pause. We need a big one now. We need a big one. Oh! It's every cast. It's a giant. It's not a giant. Let's go. Smallest smallies of the whole trip. Wow. Smallest smallies of the whole trip, but fun dang fights. Another one. Guys, I'm telling you, the new St. Croix Victory rods are legendary. The amount of smallmouth and walleye I have slayed on this one rod. Shout out to Steven for giving it to me. I haven't even received my rods yet. On the slow reel, dude. Changed up my cadence from bouncing it to a slow, nice reel. And these smallmouth are fighting. Maybe a little bit bigger, but not by much. So guys, I was bouncing it like this, and then because I didn't get hit for a cast, I went to a slow reel on the jerkbait. Little bounces here and there, change it up. Oh, there you go. That?
Maybe.
Yes or no?
Yeah. 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 Oh, he's about to drop.
Keep him down, pin down.
Oh, this might be a nice one, huh?
I saw him jump, I just couldn't tell how big it was. Oh yeah, it is a nice one. Bring it to me. Yeah, nice fish. All right, guys, another one. What a way to end this day. Probably a solid. Oh my God, pre-spawner, what the hell? Was not expecting that. That's probably a good 2 1/4, 2 1/2.
Let me see it.
Nice one, bud. There it is. First of the night for you?
Second, yeah.
Nice job.
Legs.
Oh yeah, big pre-spawner. Hold on to him, hold on to him, hold on to him, hold on to him. There you go.